6. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Here we'll be given an integer array nums. It be sorted. We just need to remove the duplicate in place, which means we cannot use any extra array or dictionary. And simply we can determine that which is duplicate just by comparing with the neighbor, and we need to send as output the unique element number of the unique integer and the unique array. Okay, let's jump into coding. First of all, I want to see the constraints. Okay, here it could be 0. Okay, let's take the length first, length of the nums array. And I want to check if the length is 0 or we have only one array, we want to return 0 or 1. Return L, which means if there is 0, it's going to be 0. If there is only one integer, it's going to be unique, and we want to return 1. Okay, so now here we would have at least 2 integer. I will use a while loop here to compare the previous one. If it matches with the previous one, then it's going to be duplicate. And before that, I want to add a current element. Now 0, and want to start from index 1. And the traditional I plus equal to 1, and also want to update the current element. Okay, so now I want to check if nums is double equal to the current or the previous one. Then we want to delete it. And L would be less, and here we don't want to update the current element and don't want to increase the I value, so we will just continue here. And yeah, if it doesn't match, we'll go to the next loop. And finally we need to return the length. Okay, seems fine, let's run it. Okay, let's run with some other test cases. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, it's working.